Now we are going to say the new unit. The unit first, introduction of taxonomy. Introduction of the taxonomy. Here, taxo means arrangement. Nomi means rules. Means here, flowering plants are arranged their rules and regulations. The flowering plants, that is the angiospermic plants, which are observed on the earth's surface, they are arranged as per the rules and regulations. Here, the flowering plants means what, how they occur, where they occur, what are the characteristics of the plants, we should going to see here. First of all, we are going to say its importance. It's what it is important. Why it is essential to study the import to taxonomy. We are going to see here the functions of the taxonomy. How the taxonomy works. Function means how the taxonomy works. First, the plants are identification. The plants which are found on the earth's surface, they should be identified either polypetally, gamopetally, apetally, either dicotyledons, monocotyledons. Further divisions means all the external morphological characters which are observed in the field, they are categorized and should identifications. Then the nomenclature. Under this separations of the group, plants are nomenclated. Naming of the plants takes place. Suppose mango. Mango is named as a generic name and a specific name. Generic name is Mangifera. Species name is Indica. As like such, Mangifera, Indica, the nomenclature means giving the two names of the plant. That is Mangifera generic name and species name Indica. And on the basis, the plants are classified. The plants are classified to their division, class, order, series, and families. As per this, we are going to see there is this plant. That saline features of ICBN, International Code of Botanical Nomenclature, means important features of this International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. Introduction, International Congress of Botany, that is United States, which are found, and they are given the rules and regulations how the plants are nomenclature and classified. This is the first unit. From this, we are going to see the second unit. Second unit, it is known as the herbarium. Means on the living or the surface, the plants which are found. These plants are, the small twigs are taken along with this entire plant. That is the flowering plant. Twigs is taken. They are pressed and they are stored. They are mounted on the calces. They are labeled. After labeling, date of locality, where, who, where, and the important characters are given. The dry materials are mounted on the herbarium seeds, and the small liquid in chemicals also plants are collected. Then how the herbarium takes place, its technique is given in the herbarium technique, and its roles and significance. It is important, the herbarium. Then the next point, that is the botanical garden. Means the plants in danger, the plants which are from the particular area, these are plants are collected, plants are stored into the herbarium. It is Botanical Survey of India. And indigenous plants, the plants are going to vanish. Such plants, important plants, to be cultivated and to be maintained, there are particular places these particular places, they are known as gardens. It's important taxonomical plants are cultivated. It's a study. Here we are going to say the two botanical gardens which are included in our syllabus. Sir J.C. Bose Botanical Garden, Calcutta. There are so many gardens in India, but few selected, that is Sir J.C. Bose Botanical Garden of Calcutta and Lead Botanical Garden, Shivaji University, Kolhapur.